Hello mga buddy, samahan niyo ako sa aking workout. Dahil maulan pa lang ngayon mga buddy, kaya di tayo makapunta sa gym, kaya dito na lang ako sa bahay. Ayan pala mga buddy, bali elastic band lang yung gamit ko. At saka kinuha ko na rin pala yung sampayan ng kortina. Sabitan pala mga buddy ng kortina.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
Bali 20 reps pa rin mga buddy, 3 set.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't.
Ang next exercise pala natin mga buddy ay close grip lat pull down.
Shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh,
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
Bali ang ginawa ko pala dyan mga buddy sa close grip, 20 reps tapos 3 set. Ang next exercise pala natin mga buddy ay straight arm pull down.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all.
Bali ang ginawa ko rin pala dyan mga buddy sa straight arm pull down, 20 reps and 3 set. Ang next naman pala natin mga buddy ay bent over barbell row.
Seem to cause disturbance, yeah, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
20 reps din pala ginawa ko dyan mga buddy, tapos 3 set sa bent over barbell row. Ang next pala natin mga buddy ay seated cable row, kaya lang hindi naman yan cable mga buddy, elastic band lang yung gamit ko.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please Lord give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Nakakapagod mga buddy. full back tayo ngayon. Ang gamit lang pala natin elastic band saka yung maliit na barbell na DIY din. Saka meron din ako yung maliit na dumbbell. DIY din siya. Pupunta sana akong gym mga buddy, kaya lang maulan ngayon. May bagyo ata. Kaya dito na lang ako sa bahay. Nagtiyagaan ko na lang yung elastic band. Saka ito.